Now, I've been looking for a mannequin head for a long time now. I've been trying to find one the exact same size as my head, which is pretty much impossible. The only ones that I have found are female heads, and it truly doesn't represent the size of my head. So, I decided to make my own. Let's dive in. First off, you want to get one roll of plastic wrap and 1 to 2 rolls of duct tape. Some cardboard, 1 of 2 filler materials, cotton or expanding spray foam. For this video, I'm using expanding spray foam. Now, let's get started. Hold on a minute. What? Who are you? Well, I'm Safety Matt. Didn't you forget something? Like what? Well, what about safety? Oh, right. Let me explain quickly. If you plan on doing this by yourself, be aware that you are going to cover a few breathing holes and you might be a bit visually impaired. My advice is to get a second person to help when cutting the tape and wrapping your mouth and nose with the plastic, or avoid that till the last. Now, is that good? Thank you. That's all I was looking for. Now, don't add too many layers of plastic wrap or tape, as too much will distort the face, features, and this will not work for a scale model of your head to make good props, masks, and other various headpieces you might want to create.
Why are you the way that you are?
Oh well, I'll let that sit overnight. I decided to switch out the cardboard for some plywood, decided to do a takeoff on my head and on the mannequin to see whether or not the sizes would be close enough. And they were, to a degree, only 3/4 of an inch off, which is not bad, so I'll be able to adjust when I need to. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed how to make a mannequin head that you may never need to make again, unless you really want to. Catch you next time.